Hey, how's it going, everybody? It is the one in blue here on YouTube. I finally decided to use a name and apply a name to myself in my future videos. Today, I'm going to be bringing you a quick how-to or a quick tutorial on how to fix an error or a glitch in LSPDFR GTA5 on Windows. This is something that I actually struggled with for a little bit. I couldn't quite figure it out. I looked on the forums on LSPDFR. I looked almost everywhere to see if I find this fix, and I couldn't find it. So here it is for you. If you're having the problem where you're trying to pull over a pedestrian and you tag them, and then once you pull them over some way, somehow, at one point they're just gonna gun it. They're just gonna pedal to the metal, and they're going to go straight into the wall, crash. Like, they're just gonna go straight, they're gonna crash into something, and then that's when you can pull them over. It got quite annoying, it got quite tiring, and I finally decided to share a fix with you guys. It's really easy, really easy to figure out. Sorry about my phone going off in the background. But yeah, let's make it happen. This is gonna be a really quick video. All you need to do, I don't know if this fix applies to people who don't have ELS. I have ELS installed on my game, but this is the fix. So you're gonna go to wherever your GTA5 installation folder is. In my case, I have it set up somewhere else, so this is where I'm at. You're gonna scroll down right in the main folder, and you're gonna look for the ELS configuration file, the .ini file, and you're gonna edit that whichever way you can. I use Notepad. A lot of people use OpenIV, so you can definitely use that. And yeah, I know I said OpenIV, but yeah. So when you open it up and you're gonna edit it, you're going to look for the line here where it says General, and then you're gonna look for ELS traffic control on. So the fix is right here. What you're gonna do is, it's gonna show as true when you're looking at it for the first time. All you're going to do is you're going to delete true, and you're going to replace it with the word false. And that right there, my friends, should fix the issue for you. All you're going to do is click file save, or in whatever platform you're on to edit this file, you're going to save the changes and you're going to exit it out. Boot up the game and everything should be working fine and dandy. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Let me know if you find this helpful or not. I would appreciate if you can like this video, thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. I have way more content that's going to be uploaded pretty soon for you guys. I have some cool videos planned out for you guys. Check out my other videos. Let me know what you think. I would appreciate the support, and thanks again, man. Let me know if this helped you out.